5 elements, 5D. Panch Tattvas, which is 5 elements. Very good. Yeah, so the 5 classical elements are, what are the 5 classical elements? We have fire, we have air, earth, water, and space. Or maybe ether. Yeah, ether is probably the right word. But one more example of the number 5, then we'll move on. So 5 fingers, 5 elements. 5 senses, excellent. So just like these 5 elements are, well, these are sort of the classical elements. They are not really accepted in mainstream science, but they have some relevance to, to our exploration, which I'll just get to in a minute. So if these 5 elements are the elements that are ingredients of the creation of the universe, then 5 senses are also the ingredients of the creation of our reality. They are, our mind is giving us an experience. That experience is we are recording. The recording program is recording these five signals and putting everything together, reconstructing it, giving it some meaning based on its software, and that's what we call reality of experience. Now, the number 5, my favorite thing about number 5 is that you guys have played board games, right? So in board games, we use a dice. A dice is typically in the form of a cube, right? Now, a cube is not the only shape in 3D which can be used as a dice, right? So in order for a shape to be used as a dice, it should be perfectly similar. It should have the same face everywhere. So like this one has a square. This is made of 6 squares. All the corners need to be identical. All the edges need to be identical, and all the faces need to be identical. Now, cube is one such shape, but in 3 dimensions, we have a total of 5 shapes, which can be used as dice, or in other words, there are 5 perfect shapes, just like we have 5 elements, right? And these are what we call as the Platonic solids. So here I'm showing you a perfect shape made of 4 equilateral triangles, which is a tetrahedron, the symbol of fire. We have octahedron, which is 2 square pyramids connected base to base. 8 triangles, again completely symmetric. Then we have the icosahedron cube you already know. This is 20 equilateral triangles, again perfectly symmetric. It's actually quite remarkable that this shape closes in a perfect way, where you have 5 triangles meeting at every corner. Looks like a nice, it feels really good because it has a 5-fold symmetry. It feels really good to hold this in your hand. It's something very, very natural about this shape. It's called an icosahedron. And the last one, for ether, we have the dodecahedron. By the way, 108 is also the angle of the pentagon. So you can see here the interior angle of a pentagon. So this shape has 3 pentagons meeting at every corner. So there can be 5 and only 5 shapes. That's it, no more. We don't have 4 shapes. We don't have 6 shapes. We have exactly and only 5 shapes. And this is one of the greatest maths discovery of all time. It is ranked, I think, at number 2. The fact that there can only be 5 perfect shapes in 3 dimensions is quite remarkable. This is actually what got me so excited about geometry as a medium to explore the existential reality, because geometry is undisputable. It's like it's not subject to interpretation. 5 shapes, 5 shapes. That's it. There's no argument. There, you can't have a sixth shape. So the number 5 is of some importance, of some existential importance, as far as our 3 dimensions are concerned.